Okay, so today topic is JavaScript validations. JavaScript validations. Okay, so JavaScript validations are very important for any application. Okay, so if you implement any application, the JavaScript validations are very important. Okay, so for example, if you develop uh, any user entered application like a registration form or login page or any user entered applications. Okay, so must and should we have to use validations, okay, to validate the form. So validations normally used to occur at the server after the client had entered all the necessary data and then pressed the submit button. JavaScript provides a way to validate forms data on the client side before sending it to the server or before saving the data into the server. Validations normally used to occur at the server after the client had entered all the necessary data necessary data necessary data and then pressed submit button. Okay, press submit button. So that JavaScript provides a way to validate forms data on the client side before before saving data into the server, okay, or sending it to the web server. So here we have number of six type of validations. First one, regular expression validator. Regular expression validator. And second one, so first one, require field validator. A field validator. And second one, regular expression validator. And third one, range validator. And the fourth one, require field validator. Compare validator. And fifth one, validation summary. And sixth one, custom validator. Okay, so these are the 6 type of validations in JavaScript. Regular expression validator. So a regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Regular expression validator. Regular expression validator is a sequence of characters sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. And regular expression validator so this is for regular expression. So this is very important validator. And so first one, require field validator. So must and should we have to enter. If you use this validator must and should we have to enter data in fields and range validator. Use this validator when you compare when you enter date range date range fields and compare validator. Use this validator when you compare two passwords, like password and confirm password and validation summary. So display all error messages at a time. So that is summary and custom validator. So we can write our own validations. So first of all, we can create one registration form like a Google sign up. Create an HTML form, registration. Okay, so now create like a form like a Google registration form. First name, last name, email. Okay, first name, last name, username, password, confirm password, date of birth, and gender, mobile, email address, and next step button. H1. So create your Google account. Table in the first row, TD, first name, input, type equal to text, and placeholder equal to first name, and ID equal to txt, first name, and close this text box. And second row, last name, TD, type equal to text box, placeholder, last name, ID equal txt, last name, and next TD, username, next TD, type equal to text box, placeholder equal to username, ID equal to txt, username, next tier, password, input type equal to, we have password type, placeholder equal to password, and ID equal to txt, password, confirm password, td, type equal to password, placeholder, confirm password, ID equal to txt, confirm password. Okay, cp. And next, birthday, gender, tier, td, date of birth. So here we can use drop down list or text box for birthday. Okay, so now we can use text box, type equal to text box, placeholder equal to date of birth, and id equal to txt dob, and next tr gender. So here we can use select and id equal to ddl gender, and options male option female, and other. And first option is select gender. Okay, next phone number. tr mobile. Typical text box and placeholder, mobile number, id equal to txt mobile, and finally current email address. Input type equal to text box and placeholder equal to current email, and id equal to txt ce, and finally submit button. Okay, so no location here, only next step button or save button. Input type equal to button, value equal to save, and close this button. So now run this example once. Okay, so this is our registration form. Okay, so after you enter all the values in this text field, and you can submit save button, so we can save all this data into the server. Okay, we have to write backend code to save the data in the server. Okay, that is second part. So for UI developer, only develop this front end, and backend code developer can write by using Java or PHP or any .NET, any programming languages. So the UI developer has to develop the UI part and write validation for the registration form. Okay, this form select. So for this, use script tag and create function. Okay, validate form. Okay, so this is the function. Okay, so first of all, if you observe Google sign up form, without enter values in this text fields and click on next step button. Okay, so all these are fields showing error messages. Okay, you can't leave this empty, you can't leave this empty. So that must and should we have to enter all the fields. All these are required fields, all these are necessary fields. Okay, must and should we have to enter all these data, and after that we can submit data to the Google server. So that first of all we need to check with the first name. Okay, so this first name field is empty or not. If first name field is empty, we have to show the error message. Otherwise we can move to the next field. So where fname equal to document dot get element by id txt fname dot value. If fname equal to empty, okay, empty, we can display the alert message. Okay, so we can display alert message or we can display message in the web form like this. Please enter first name. Okay, so it will show the error message like this if first name field is empty. Like last name also, where last name equal to document or get element by id txt lname dot value. Okay, so last name value stored in lname variable, so that here if first name is successfully enter the data, it will goes to next if condition. If lname is empty or not, it will check here. Okay, if last name field is empty, it will show the error message. Please enter last name. Okay, so like this, first name, last name, and username. Okay, and password, confirm password. Where username equal to document or get element by id txt name dot value, and else if uname equal to empty, display alert message. Okay, alert message is very simple concept. Okay, if you want to display messages like this, okay, we have to write uh, some more hard code. Please enter username, and next username, password, and confirm password. where password equal to document or get enabled by id txt password dot value. Okay, so like this, confirm password equal to document dot get enabled by id txt cp dot value. Okay, confirm password and the date of birth where dob equal to get element by id txt dob dot value. And next, gender. After gender, mobile number. Okay, and current email address. Mail equal to document dot get element by id dot value. Okay, after that, save button. So here, first name, last name, username completed. So from now, password and confirm password. Okay, we have to compare these two passwords also. Okay, if these two passwords is equal, we can move to next field, that is date of birth. Okay, if username is not equal to empty, okay, not equal to empty, we can go to next step. Otherwise, if username empty, please enter username. Alert box will display here. If username is not equal to empty, we'll go to this statement. If password not equal to empty, else it will display the alert message. Please enter password. And again, if confirm password, okay, confirm password not equal to empty, it will display the message here. Alert, please enter confirm password. If confirm password also not equal to empty, we can check these two passwords. If password equal to confirm password, okay, if password equal to confirm password, Then we can move to another field like date of birth. If both are not equal to, it will display the message. Okay, so password is not matching. Passwords not matching. And again, if date of birth div not equal to empty, if div is empty, display alert message. Please enter date of birth. And again, next, if gender equal to not equal to select gender. Okay, not equal to select gender, else in alert box it will show the message like please select gender. Please select gender. Okay, and the next, mobile number. If mobile number, okay, mobile number not equal to empty, else if mobile number is empty, display alert message. Please enter mobile number. And again it will goes to if current email not equal to empty, else display message here alert. Please enter current email address. If all are success, display alert message success. Display the message is success. Okay, see here the way of written validation. Okay, so if username not equal to empty, okay, the execution is goes to this step. If username is equal to empty, it will goes to the else part and display alert message. Again, if password is not equal to empty, it will goes to confirm password. Otherwise, it will goes to else part and display please enter password. Okay, like this, if not equal to empty, goes to the next process. So like this it will work. and finally all are successfully entered. Okay, finally success message is displayed here. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, so first of all, please click on save button. Okay, so yeah, validation is not coming because we have to call this function name in button click event. Okay, on click equal to validate form. Okay, so now click on this button. So please enter first name. Okay, so again you can click please enter first name. Okay, without enter first name field we cannot move to the next last name field. Okay, must and should we have to enter first name field. Okay, so first name is entered. Again you can click please enter last name. Again without enter last name field you cannot move to the next field. And username also same. Must and should we have to enter username and password. Please enter password. Okay, without enter password it will not check the two passwords. Okay, password is 1234. Okay, 1234 and save. Please enter confirm password. Okay, again you can click please enter confirm password. The password is 5678. Okay, enter different password here. You can click on save button. Passwords not matching. Okay, so it will show the message like this if password is not matching. Again 1234. Click on save button. Please enter date of birth. Okay, if password is match it will goes to the date of birth field. uh, to 10 2017. Okay, so save button. Please select gender. Okay, without select gender we cannot move to mobile number. Male. And again enter mobile number. And again please enter current email address. And save. Okay, after enter all the fields. Okay, all necessary fields. I'll enter all necessary fields. Press and save button. Okay, it will display the success message. Okay, so in the real-time example, in the real-time applications, after you enter all the necessary fields, when you click on the save button, the data is stored in the server. So like this we can write JavaScript validations. So here one more important concept is there, regular expression validator. Okay, so for example here I entered my email address like this. Okay, so this is not email format. Okay, must and should we have to check the email format. Email format like suppose prasad at gmail.com. Okay, so the email format should be like this. Okay, at the rate and the domain name .com or .in or .org. Okay, .uk .es. Okay, like this. Master should be like the email format like this. But here I entered email format, email like this. Okay, so now it will raise the errors. Okay, so for this we have to write the expression for the email address. Okay, before submit the email format into the server, we need to check this format. Okay, this is email format or not. If this is not email format, it will show the message, error message. Okay, if this is email format, it will save into the database. Okay, so you can search in Google like JavaScript email validation. Okay, email validation. Validating email is very important point while validating an HTML form. Example of email ID is that the email ID should be like this. Okay, so there is a formats for email. Okay, so this is the expression for email. Okay, so this will work. This is correct expression. So copy this and paste your expression in where email expression equal to, okay, so email expression. So we have to check this expression with the current email. Okay, so if current email, okay, dot email expression dot expression dot test and a current email. Okay, so current email. Okay, so after enter the current email, if email expression dot test equal to test of current email, okay, so if expression is equal to, okay, the current email address is equal to email expression. So the test method test with this expression. Okay, the expression means, okay, so this part, okay, this part, okay, before at the rate, this part is before at the rate, after at the rate, this part, okay, and after dot com, this is the part, okay. Before at the rate, it will support caption small a to z or caps a to z and 0 to 9 numbers and underscore dot hyphen symbol, and okay, so it will support small a to z, caps a to z and numbers hyphen underscore dot after a to z, okay, and like Gmail or Yahoo, okay, or any company name. So like small a to z and caps a to z and 0 to 9 numbers and hyphen, and after that, okay, so a to z, small a to z, caps a to z, 0 to 9 numbers, and this is the length, okay, dot com or dot in or dot us, okay, dot uk, okay, dot org, like, so the domain names like only 2 to 4 characters only, dot com or dot in or, okay, dot us, like this, okay, so it will be 2 to 4 characters only. So this is the email expression. If we enter wrong email address, please enter correct email format, okay, correct email format. Example, abc@gmail.com. Okay, so now again you can check this, okay, first name, last name, email and password, and confirm password, and date of birth, and gender, mobile number, and current email address. Okay, so enter like this and save button. Alert message is not coming. Email expression dot, so now test it again. Okay, save. Okay, please enter correct email format. Okay, so like abc@gmail.com. Okay, so and at the rate and click save button. Please enter correct email format, and G, please enter correct email format .com. Okay, success. Okay, so this is the email format. Okay, So it will check @ is there or not, and after .com is there or not. Okay, compulsory we have to enter the email format. So this is the email expression. Okay, you can find this error expressions in the online. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the test method. Okay, the test method is a regular expression method, and it searches a string for a pattern and returns true or false. Okay, depending on the result. If the expression is equal to our input value. Okay, so if the value is equal to expression, it will return the true. Otherwise, return false. Okay, return false means we can display the message. So these are the JavaScript evaluations. Okay, so I explained one expression. Okay, so for your today task, okay, so first name and okay, first name, last name, and username. Okay, so that's why that is what I am explaining. That is mobile number and date of birth. Your task. Okay, so first name and last name, username. Username not required. First name and last name. Okay, accept only strings. Okay, string values. Okay, string values. First name and last name should accept only string values. And the date of birth also DOB should be date format like month, okay, date, year. Okay, this format. Okay, you have to write the expression for this format: month, date, year. And next, mobile number. Mobile number. Okay, accept only India format. Okay, or US format. Okay, format like okay, so this is the format for US. For India +91. Okay, so this is the format for India. Okay, it will accept only these formats only, the text box, mobile number, and remaining is a password. A password should contains at least one caps letter. Okay, at least one small letter, at least one special symbol. Okay, so if you enter the password, okay, it will check the password like compulsory at least one caps letter, at least one small letter, okay, and at least one special symbol. Example, Prasad at 123. Okay, so this will check the format. P is caps, okay, at least one caps letter, and B RASAD small letters, and this is special symbol, and accept numbers also. Okay, so this is the format for password. Okay, so this is your today task. Okay, all of you understood?